Hi guys, today I'm going to be looking at a Catalypse or Catalypse or however you pronounce it for the Commodore 64. This is a game that I also had as a demo as a kid, and I can tell you it's a brilliant game. In my honest opinion, my own opinion, don't forget this is my opinion, no one else's opinion, I think this is one of the best, if not the best, shooter on the Commodore 64. So, and I'm also talking about games like Armalite and stuff. I think this is one of the best Commodore 64 shoot 'em ups. It's just loading up now, so let's wait for it. Mine's a point. It's going to decompact and then we're going to have it in memory and we're going to play the game. So let's do it. Get the joystick and let's play the game. So it's a game by Genius with an A.
Alone against that, your backup fighter is taking the night. The legend is in your hands.
So a bit of speech just to get us in the mood. I didn't quite understand it now neither, but let's start the game. So that's the introduction, so yeah, you can tell that they've really made the effort on this one. I didn't quite catch what it says. I'm sure any Catalypse fans would be able to inform me what it says, but something about the land or something. But we're going to start the game. So it's just loading up there for us nicely. It's like a R-Type / meets Project X or something. It's a great game, to be fair. I love it. If you're going to have a Commodore 64, I highly recommend this game. It's just like really shows like what the Commodore 64 can do. So this is the title screen. Let's play some Catalypse. I'm doing it as always on the Cheetah 125 Plus. So let's start the game. So let's go. So it's going to load the first level, the fourth moon. The music and sound effects you can choose between, or you can have both off, or both on, one off, etc. As far as I can remember. But the best experience, in my opinion, is to have both the music and the sound effects on at the same time. So let's fire to start. So this is Catalypse. Just turn into it. Ouch. Ouch. So in the background you've got stars. In the foreground you've got colourful graphics. In the background also you've got an epic orchestral music and sound effects all going at the same time. You've also got a lot of things happening on the screen at one time. Really taking use of the Commodore 64 sprites technology as well. Oh, I'm dead. Let's try again. some of this, you bitch. Really demonstrating what the Commodore 64 was capable of. Ouch. Shit, I forgot you can hold fire button down rather than keep pressing it. Doesn't make life easier. So, you can shoot almost anything on screen. Ouch. It's not an easy game. I will give it that. Very hard. Oh, you fuck. Try again, shall we? So basically these give you power-ups. Are 3 ways really useful. And so is that. Everything's useful. Watch out for the enemy bullets. It takes some skill to master this, to be fair. I'm gonna have probably like a lot of bad comments for this, but I actually prefer playing this game to the almighty R-Type. I know it's hard to believe I've said that, but yeah, I actually do prefer playing this to R-Type. I won't lie. An R-Type is a classic in its own right. I also prefer playing this to games like Armalite and Ultrium, which are also classics. But yeah, I do believe this is an absolutely fantastic masterpiece of the Commodore 64 game. It's just hard, it's very problem. Try again. To be honest with you, I've never got past level 1. I'm obviously shit at games. But yeah, it's just a fantastic work of genius. The way they didn't call the company genius for nothing by the looks of it. They just really exploited what the Commodore 64 could do and just made it into the one an outstanding game. I mean, bear in mind this is running on 1982 hardware, technically. I think it's just a good game. I think it's well made, I think it's well presented. I think the fact it can handle everything going on all the time without any sort of slowdown is just marvellous. I think the way it handles all the music, the sound effects, the different coloured backdrops, the enemy waves, sprites, everything, I just think it's just perfect in every detail. It never flickers, it never slows down, hardly ever. I think they use like slight moments it will slow down, but nothing that's even noticeable. It's just so fluid and fast all the time. Hard, always a lot going on. So the bad points of the game, yeah, it is difficult. You don't get many lives, no real thing. You can continue, but it's just really hard. Apart from that, I think everything's well done. I think the graphics are brilliant. Got a bit further this time. Turn to green. I like the way it changes the colour palette every so often. Just adds 4 hours into the game. Oh, yeah, I'm crap at it. Not the best review in the world of the game, but yeah, I'm going to give Catalypse because I'm very impressed. And almighty 10 out of 10. Goodbye. Hope you liked the video. I might make another one about it soon.